Cha. Yo, you there, man?
Yeah, go on, man.
There, man. There.
Long time I don't see you.
You still long, sir?
Yeah, man, I'm still long there, man. Cause I try for one new hotel out up at Green Island there. I try for save can get a walk up there. But everything good though. How you are doing? What you are doing now?
Why? I don't want to talk too loud still now. You know what I'm saying?
Traffic line business.
Yeah, man. That way, I know my youth from my left hotel. Straight that me there, see me. Right on some paper, I just go print off and I want to go see if I can start bounce them out, you see me?
Why, I never know say. Man like you don't do them and sit like so how could I get involved in this?
Why, if I tell you the truth, me myself never know somebody don't get involved in it too, you know, but I have to do what I have to do, you know, brother, but yo, all you need, I just give me your email, put in this.
I mean, brother, correct now, brother, I tell you, say, you don't want to hotel, brother, I just want to left, brother, because I see all the HR, the girl who walk about HR, brother, every minute she left on my back, brother, I tell me about time and all and sitting there, brother. You don't mind me, yo, tell them what there, brother.
Yo, don't worry about she. Just look out for your emails, in?
Alright, yeah, man, respect, man. Yo, take care of yourself, you know, dog.
Alright, same thing, man, yeah, man.
Right, please. So it's about how much you said we can get it for now?
I tell him I can give one 350, but me a bridging still, you know.
350?
So,
The best price of?
yeah, best price, you know. But as me tell him, I a bridging. So, me can't take off the same way.
And I say, in a stick, you know, problem.
No, nothing like that. No stick, none of my thing them. It's my thing them clean.
Yeah, man. Man. I am person from United, brother. I been in a rich. One thing say rich. I been in a have one thing say have.
Yeah.
And
you me tell you something again. You have something to secure your head when you do them thing, you see me? Yeah. You can't go like you're a fool.
Right.
Or you're in a problem. You understand me? And then boy out there not play. So, I does the right thing. So, what I'm put on, are you ready for it?
Just give me one. I don't know me now for each one, man.
Drive.
Drive.
Yeah, play. Make certain say no, sir. You do the right thing, you know. Alright. And make sure you can beat them boy there, you know, because they will come back.
So, man, everything good, man. Yo, look at me, man.
Do the right thing.
Andre, Mr. Shanigan, what go on the bar?
Yeah.
Man, where you're from, what go on?
Yes, Mr. Inspector, but respect our manners, man. Me there, you know, I go and hold them and everything, is it? So,
Yes, man, glad to hear from you, man. What's up?
boy, me there, you know, so everything is with you.
Yeah, man, me there, man. Now wait to hear from you for see what go on, the little thing I go on with, you know?
Yeah, man, a good news, man. Good news, man. You don't,
Alright.
you don't know, so me sell the one burger, man, the last thing when we have, man. But I think them will you give me. Me let go the last one, you know. Yeah, man. Me let go the last one, man.
Boy, I know me can't count on you still, you know?
Anytime,
I
man.
have some more for Lego still, so don't worry yourself. But, you know, just make sure they put on that piece of food that's good. You're going to work with me, you don't know it, but you know you're good. You see me?
Don't worry yourself, man. The piece of food well put on, all right, man. I just, you want to come in and everything can go right.
Andre,
Yeah.
I think I ask you. Hear what me know?
Yeah, man.
Which part me can find Mr. Berger?
You know, say, at one place me think you can find a man there. No other else wells more around a Basida walk there. In a CM lane there. Yes, man. Check in that lane there, man. No else in and go. Me certain of him. You can cuff him right there, so.
Alright, no. I tell you that, my Jim, hold it down, but I tell you, say, why I can't do without you, my youth. You see me?
Yeah, real energy, man. You can't do without me, for sure. Me doing the right thing what you do, you know.
keep the flow going, my youth, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
So,
good man.
so me I tell her say you can find him right in that lane there. Perfect lane that day. Ever in that day lane there. So you just do the right thing, you see me?
Yeah, man. Big up for that, my youth. I don't know, say me are different. When me see you, me check out everything fine, isn't it?
Yes, man. No worry your brain, man. Just do,
Yeah, man.
just do the right thing, you see me?
Yes, the boss. Alright?
Yeah. So what you know now?
Big up, man.
Remember what me tell her saying about that they say you can't find him saying I have to search over the whole place like you're a fool.
Man. No, man, you know what I mean already, man. You know everything, so don't worry yourself, man. That's like already.
Alright, sir. So what you have to do now, I'm ready for another thing them, you know, cause you don't know so many people that check me like that 24/7.
Yo. Idiot, no run, idiot. This part's on you, better stay away blow out the boy. What do you? Stay away there, easiest. When me have that so fast than you can run. Where you dealing? No man, well. Oh you sweat so bridging? How am to you? You look so nervous. Eh? You all have blow down? How am to you?
Nothing, boss.
Nothing your stomach?
I just let me out to someone I go on.
No man, you don't know about that. Hold on. Wait man, give me a search. My girlfriend, I'm no business with you and girlfriend. I don't want you nothing about no girlfriend. What is this?
Watch out.
Yo, stay right there, sir.
We can't angle this.
Hold on, man. Stay right there, sir. Big on for me. Hold on, man. Turn on there, sir. Turn on there, sir.
We can't deal with this, you know.
Deal where you deal. Well, hold on a little bit there. Hold on. Yo, how are this, sir?
Inspect.
Hold on, man. This way, man. 15 years I look on the youth.
Watch out, Inspector, we can't deal with this pan a manual fashion.
Hold on, man. What you can do for yourself?
So that me I try to
Just turn on, brother, because I don't even trust you yet.
So that me I try to explain to you so I can deal with this pan a more financial manable fashion, man.
Last time I wonder if nothing more depend you to right.
No.
Just hold on.
Let me just
Are you
call
alone
my
there, sir?
mother.
Are you alone there, sir?
Yeah, man, I'm alone there, sir. I'm just call my mother.
Wait, no, man. Yo, where your phone there? Put your phone on, sir, because I don't even trust you have all them phone up and all speak on them. Make sure you know about you come line up my police.
Watch out, man.
Just will have a look shot, make sure you your phone safe. Cool. Where you say you can call who?
I can just call my mother and you can just make him carry money come.
Yo, take your phone out. Do a deal with that thing. But you know, yo, a big problem this cinema, no much of our life gone out of this youth.
No, man, enough money we spend, man. I know where you go.
All them boys out the road see this cinema and a bullet to dead right away. Do we are do? Just, yo, let's look at how we are do you? That's cool.
Yeah, mommy.
Mummy, yo, put that pan speaker.
Mommy, me
Put that
kind
pan speaker, you come set up, man. I deal with.
Mommy, me kind of running around like a problem and me want you just cash some money come and me a inspector Bob, me never run a yard.
Yo, you call me name, man. Yo, if you call me name over for, you idiot. You
Sorry about that, mommy. I'm here just watching them just cash some money come give me right now. We there run a yard right now. Everything good, Inspector Bob, man.
Yo, when me had the right to celebrate, you know. Yo, you know how much years I hear that for 15 years I look on you.
But me must say Inspector Bob.
But yeah, man, look man, this is sitting. Where you get this from you?
You know a thing go.
I mean, if me know a thing, I don't know a thing go. How you talk about, man?
I say hustle, you know, Inspector Bob.
Nobody are hustling on youth.
So that,
But you know, hustling the first thing you look where you go buy.
so I have to protect myself.
Protect yourself from what youth.
So why you are doing it for you? Now protect yourself.
My own legal, fear one legal, my youth. Me can't do anything to you right now and nothing come out tight.
The hardest thing for me right now is to get one legal one.
Like, yeah, all of you talk. Yeah, Bridging, I just try. No police are joint force blocking. You know that. But tell us, Bridging. Yo,
So my mother call back.
hold on.
Yeah, mommy.
You not even talk about, what we are talking about you? Okay, how much you pay for this?
At 350 minutes pay.
350. You know what? I buy you buy back from me, you know. And plus, when me buy it back from you, for me. So if you not bring back that hour, you come with that the money, you know it go. And then you not go lay thing, you know.
Alright, mommy, at 350,000 a year. So which part you want to meet you?
Me nah tell me call you and tell you about you.
Alright.
Say me an idiot one come set me up.
I'll give me a number and making call you. Just take her.
Yo, everything, just stay right where there, man. Give me this. Yeah, Burger mother.
Yes.
Burger send me to you, know. Big time. Come have a seat, just man.
I don't think I want vaccine it for drive come.
We have many car, man. Come in many ways. Hey, so what? Man, give a thing for give me.
Yeah.
Before you take out that, you have phone?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see your phone. Make sure say no come general stump to come record now. Put that up there so then. What you saying again? Let me see. Everything in there?
Everything in there.
Time to come out this, you know, but you see if it's ever short, a problem, you know. Remember me tell you. Make sure say everything did it.
So when my son there, what happened to my son? What happened to him? Where you hold on pan him for?
Me no hold on pan your boy. Your boy there in the yard. Hold on pan, me no hold on pan him. Lucky. If I somebody else that different, you know me catch your boy with gun. You understand me?
My son no have no gun.
Your son have no gun.
My son no have no gun.
Your son have no
I
gun.
no found no old people's son and place gun pan them. My son no have no gun. And if you even see him with one gun,
Yeah.
to protect himself, him a no gun man. Alright, friendly him. To protect himself, he not kill nobody and he never kill nobody.
Well, who me catch you with, you know? Him salt. And if you have a gun and you as a man, your class, you as a gun man.
He not stick up nobody with it. I don't know we place gun pan him too.
Oh, you know that? You go check him and see what happens. The man have a gun bigger than for me. And 15 years is least.
You see uno police? Uno give the good police them bad name because of uno bad dirty ways uno have to take money from people but uno save them.
Listen to me, woman. Me never come here for lecture or for grow your son and about police that. Yeah, as a matter of fact, you know what? We don't collect what me have, you know. Come out of my car. Just come out of my car and make sure say everything there in this. Everything in this. Oh. Never come for lecture about no picnic. Right. Oh man, condone everything with them pick with it, alright, you see?
Pop it down.
Yeah, I did.
Like you look on some what, boy?
There, I know my father. I know it's a father. No, about go on. Glad to me see him. Right now, I'm there, so I'll be right. I'm not going to go on for you bite them, you know that. And I don't want to go to a client paper, him can't go on those.
Yeah, man, I look at one, one ghost say, I come from Minnesota. Hot bread, brother, man, I tell her.
Yeah, man.
Can get a look at one beat off right, man.
Yeah, I mean, so you can't set up a link, man. No, say me on a loyal thing.
Yeah, man, but I don't want you, I don't want you call back my client, you know.
No, man. Them
just like
are bridging for a long time, man.
I tell you, I just look at one beat me I give off right.
Yeah,
me?
man. You don't know some a loyal soldier there. I'm here, bro.
Alright, no worry yourself, man. I saw you go, you know. Right now, I go say full of smoke, you know, man.
Yes, I don't know so how make you money, you know, so me and your bro. You see me? Yeah, nice piece of food.
Hold on, then I'll try to see if I can get her up on the line. Yes, Miss Betty. Yes. Yes. Yes, this is Mr. Richard. I'm calling you in regards about the prize that the delivery guy is on his way, and I'm here with my supervisor. He's just trying to tell you something about the packaging.
All right, so Mrs. there, this is Mr. Brown calling you from the Mega Million. How are you doing?
What's your want?
All right, so I'm just here to let you know that you have won $50,000 from the Grand Million Lottery promotion. All right, but here's what I want you to do for me.
fire, man. Come on, auntie.
Chaz,
Yes, me same one. What go on?
are you that?
Yes, I mean, man. Come on. I'm gonna see you, man. Jano Star. Oh, God. Auntie, man. That's myself, man. There, man.
You gone?
Yeah,
All
man.
man all a beard up.
I saw them things they sitting on, auntie. Where I did?
Man,
Jano Star.
why for your mother and father take you care back at town night? Yeah, donkey years when I see you.
No, man. I saw them something to stay, man.
I pass through.
No, man, I lie to you, auntie. You know, say, I look at things I go on at town. I'm not involved, you know. But I look at vibes I go on when I really want to breeze the place, you see me? Because I'm not too like how it go on. I want to stay away from the trouble, you see me? So I say, I just come here, so come, you know, come cool off a little bit still, you know.
So war broke out.
Yeah, man, I look at vibes out there, man. As I said, I'm not involved in it, auntie, but you don't know more stay far from them something, so I just want to just chill with it a little bit, you see me?
All right, you what? You only can stay here for 2 weeks.
School, no, auntie,
2
man.
weeks only.
Channel Star. You know, that's why I'm a favorite auntie, you know, man. I know some can rely upon you, you know. Yeah, man. I'm not involved in no foolishness, man. I'm good, man. I can there for the 2 weeks, man, auntie. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that.
So hold on. It sound like you never did a plan to go back at home.
Yeah, man, I say auntie, man. But when I say, you know, anything can happen, you know, because if the vibe's not cool, I don't want to go back that with any foolishness. And so if I'm there for the 2 weeks and let's say I get all a local work or a local hustling, then I just, you don't know, do what I can do and help out with whatever I can help out with, isn't it? Because I rather there are some monks and out of trouble than up the side of the foolishness, isn't it?
Well, at 2 weeks.
Channel.
At 2 weeks, me say, if you get a job, yes, I don't know if you can accommodate you so long enough. Because you see, film man, he's a jealous man. He go come here and go feel like say me and you there. I don't know, you know. I'm
Oh, Patrick.
Him same one.
Peace. Patrick.
Remember
good,
him?
man. Yeah, I remember Patrick, man. Patrick, all right, man. We can talk to Patrick, man. Just cool auntie, man.
All right, me say 2 weeks. 2 weeks, yes, yeah. 2 weeks is good enough. 2 weeks.
Only 2 weeks a star.
Yeah, 2 weeks. 2 weeks are good enough. If me left here right now, me go here foreign. You know, USA. My usual state of absence, at 2 weeks, me go for 2 weeks.
Auntie, yeah, I'm foreign 2 different things, you know. But I understand. I don't fight your system. Anything you say, auntie.
I'm glad to understand so you're a foreign 2 different things.
I think this. Yeah, man. So you say, I can go rest down my bag because I'm tired, you know.
Yeah, man, go and rest your bag, man.
Yeah, man, put on the bag.
Finish talking about something.
Yeah? All right, then. I say a word, auntie. I'm so forward.
Hey! Lord, a long time I said to me, man get big so.
So, right, so let me see you. Yeah, auntie. Yeah, son. Jano, this sounds serious, auntie. Relax, man, and talk to me.
Come like so me I get nervous. I want to talk to you and come like me I get nervous to talk to you cause
I'm not afraid to say anything to
I
me.
stay like a Kingston. You know.
Yeah.
But you see people around here, they fast, they nosy. Everybody know everybody business around here.
I saw them look at something they set up still, auntie.
They nosy and then they terrible. They see. All when they not see,
Them say.
they see. You understand?
I understand.
Then see. So look here. You see that yard over there, so? The yard over there, so?
Yeah. The same one that we look on right now.
Yeah, that big
Right.
house that we see a below over there.
Yeah. What I was saying.
You see them, nothing wrong with the house. I want a nice house, and I want a nice house.
Sure.
But you see people in over the yard there. You see a lady over there. She have one son over there.
Yeah.
And them friendly, no, me and them good, no, me and them not have nothing.
Oh, okay. Come
And them now-
a vibe.
No, so me and them good, me and them not have nothing.
Okay.
Everybody live good enough.
Yeah, someone know it.
JJ, man,
Everybody supposed to know I love you, man.
Hey, man, JJ. All right, JJ.
All right. Tell them about them. They say them fast. You nephew.
I said we stay, man.
Come down here.
I see, man. Place look different, look a bit too,
I'll
man.
tell you what's going on.
More go on.
Alright?
Yeah.
You see those people that living over there,
Yes.
stay far from them. You know why you keep no company with them.
Channel star. And that I come and find auntie, I come and for just keep myself to myself, you know, you see me just breeze out and then as soon as things get back to normal,
Listen,
then
me
out.
only I warn you.
Alright,
A long
alright.
time you come down here and you don't know nothing about the people them that living down here. So I am telling you, because I'm a neighbor them, me and them good enough. Me and them not have no problem, but me I tell you say, me no want you get involved for you and them go have problem and problem go start. Because look here now man. They have one saying say, trouble no set up like rain.
That's true.
You hear me say?
That's you, auntie.
Alright, so you see like how you get big and everything you know. Me only want when me talk to you, you understand and you listen to what me I said.
Same respect, same way, auntie.
You hear me say?
Same respect, same.
So I just high and by.
Alright.
Here,
That yard.
that yard. What me say?
Avoid that yard. Alright, auntie.
Look here, me say high and by.
Yeah, man, you know that me go do, auntie. I am by to that yard and go about my business.
And if you want to say, you hear them? You hear them? You hear them out loud over there?
So them stay. So that come on. That's cool, man.
Me only want you though.
Alright. Fair enough. Fair enough, auntie. So, you know, no food in there?
Yeah man, food there.
Food in there?
Yeah man, look on the stove.
Auntie. Yeah, long time, you know, say, I love all your cooking from long time, you know, say, some can get another food.
You can get some, but look here, use your conscience.
Boy, auntie, I'm big, you know, I can't do that 1 flour and 2 flour thing there, you know, I don't know, I'm big, and I have 4 or 5 flour, I eat and everything.
In there, me not cook
And a flour?
No,
Yes.
me not cook no flour because me not use them something there no more. You understand what I mean? You understand?
Alright, auntie.
Kingwa, but listen to me now. You gotta share your food,
Yes.
share your food, share with conscience.
Yeah, man.
Because me not eat yet, you know.
I'm Patrick, now eat it.
Me not eat yet.
Jeez, peace, auntie. Alright. Nah, take out too much of the food, auntie. Cool. Hello. Good afternoon. Can I get some of your Pepsi? Of course, what do you mean? Nice female such as yourself, of course. With all the beautiful smile. Like. I'm serious, you know? Yeah? Walk off this side. Come here. I'm serious, you know?
So the Pepsi there.
Say now, give it to me. I say normally kind.
You asked me for some of the Pepsi, right?
No, you know, I was just joking. I really you, but I didn't want to get to know still.
So what you say? Well,
Yeah, I see I'm admire from outside what a beautiful girl like you doing in a beautiful day like this all by your lonesome.
you know, say my auntie me come check, but in the house hot, so I just come outside and go and cool out.
Probably you are the reason why the place is so hot because, John, so I'm like still and like what I see. I really like forget to know your worst man in the place.
So yeah, tell me say, you're not in a relationship?
No, I'm very much single. I've been single for like 6 to 7 months now.
So a nice, decent man like in a relationship 6 months now?
Why is it hard to believe?
Man, you want to come put me in a problem, you know?
I'm putting in no problem, baby girl. I want to be a man. Straight up.
Alright, you ready to take my number? Since as I say, you don't have nobody, you're in a relationship. Just remember, so we didn't know you.
You, man.
Alright, remember, I don't live here. So, you gotta come by my house in Roan River here.
Alright, no problem. But it's close to the...
To the river here.
Okay.
I'll just call me and me meet you.
Alright, baby girl. I love this scene. Yeah, man.
Alright, no problem.
Cool. So I'll see you around, alright?
Cool.
Cool.
Yes, hello, ma'am. Yes. I was calling you earlier this morning. Why wasn't you picking up the phone?
How on, Chief? Manners. Yeah, well, go on. You good?
Why wasn't you picking up the phone? Hold on. A guy, one of the delivery guys is in the office now, so I'm gonna give him your address. Just be sure to have the receipt ready, so when the delivery guy come over there, you can be $1.5 million richer. All right, let me just put you in hold for a minute and talk to the guy who's gonna deliver your package. Bless up.
How on, Chief?
There, man. Everything good?
Yeah, man, everything good, man. I Gigi Nedville, man. I'm not a stranger to the thing, man. I family right here, some of them, man. I come into the place, man, and see how they thing and areas. So I say, I come here, up, you see it?
Oh, Gigi Neville.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you Irish one of them. Can't boy.
Yeah, see, all know all my people, them, man. Just cool, man. Me, man.
They are still out. Is that, I don't know a thing going on.
Yeah,
Like a client.
see what I do, you know, but I'm not telling lies still, you know. I pray with them. I love getting on all good things still, you know.
That I think I know, brother. I mean, really, as you can see, me and my little daughter there, so she just keep quiet. She don't really, me not bring her in this. She just.
Nah, pressure the thing, my G. I just jump in and do anything you want me to do, my G. I learn, I try to learn it. You see me, come in the place, I want something to do. Nah, pressure the link. Humble local youth, you see me, I just work with what you ask. Anything you tell me to do, I deal with it, you see.
Well, I mean, God know, I don't really work with man them way there, you know, that, because they always create problem, you know, because people change, you know, when money start coming, you know, when time nothing go say, you know, man really to start praying, you know.
That's true still, but you must say we're a family, you know, man. My auntie, that's, you know, we know say a family, everybody, you know, man. I get no trouble, man. We're good, but tell us how we can work it out.
Well, me know, Gigi long time still.
Right, so, see, it can work, man.
All right, so, yo, if I don't, you know, man, I can just link me back here tomorrow, you know.
Say some can circle, man.
Yeah, man, I can circle now. Let's say, Allora, she can work with.
That is it, my G. Yeah, man, much appreciated.
She really there.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Much appreciated,
Right,
man. So,
bless up yourself, son.
yeah, man. Respect. All right, get back to your thing, man. Bless up yourself. We'll link.
Yes. Sorry about that, Mrs. Jones. The delivery guy, I just give him your address, and he's gonna be over there in the next 34 minutes. So just be sure to have the receipt after 35,000. Yo, but I feel like say, true. Some I feel like a classmate them in a like a scamming business. I feel like you can go in it too, you know, because me not depend on that. Oh, the money why I send you go to school right now. I scamming money I do it, but me no want to come out of account to scamming. Yeah? It's better I go be my lawyer. I go a lawyer more you turn. You see me? So I can be my personal lawyer.
So I'm gonna waste time I go to college when I can't do scamming.
Brother, what me say? You think I joke me make?
But you can't make enough money. Look how much money I make off of it. That's why I want to do it.
No bother with that. Too much, brother. There's a lot of risk in it, and I don't want any of them sitting here.
What kind of risk? You know, I do it every single day. What kind of risk? If I do it with them, me not go no jail and all like that.
Let me tell you this. Zane? No, because I see me now tell you me like something as when things were going as my little brother. It rough out here. It out here so serious. Yeah? But that's not true. Me I make you no live in a paradise. And when I build up this a big house here, you feel like say, I just saw you go. Out here so rough. Man out here so feel like some thief, then client and want murder me see me and so you go. You see me? So no bother with that.
But
you me say now? Lawyer, more you go to school go turn. Lawyer.
So me, if I go to college for 7 years, well, that makes sense.
So and then I no patience again. Eh?
How about patience?
Me have my subject to you know. Mommy, you can't do them something, man. Suppose me have a machine for me and my wheel out. Eh? You have to clean your throat, mommy. I'm mad, want me mad. Can't do them something, mommy.
Javi, where did you saw with Burger? Eh?
No, man, I reason with him, mommy. Because me I talk to him.
You know what time of day now? Evelyn know and know you not go for the goat them. Go and feed goat them.
Yeah, listen to mommy and go fig out them. But somebody I tell her say, just listen to me. Me a bigger brother. Me have to deal with him so rough still, you know. Because me out there, so I feel like some man guide him, you know. Me every man the guidance.
Listen to me, Burger. Me no want you come broke out Javi. You understand me?
Mommy, what that supposed to mean?
No worry yourself about it. Just nobody broke him out. Me no know where they saw they talk about. Where they tell him say me no know.
Mommy, I tell him say not to pick up a game, mommy, and mommy. I tell him say not to come in at them and sit here.
But me so no want him to do it.
Exactly. So what you mean?
Cause guess what? Remember say you know, Javi have the brain. Me nah say you don't have no brain. But Javi passed in 7 subject them. Me no want him come in at this. You understand?
So because of 4 me done.
No, that no means you done. I mean not underestimate the subject them where you have. But him have it more than you. And you know that already.
Mommy.
Anyway.
Alright, listen. For me 4 subject come have. I build this and all it work by father who call a guardsman in place for much years. Him still couldn't build this up. You look at 95 when I do couldn't build this. So I don't want you feel like
say. I talk about him. I'm not no subject. What kind of class him did there? Anyway, me need some more cement. The workman them have to pause because every minute they tell me say money soon come. Me not understand. Me wait too long now and me need the place to done.
Mommy, the little money what me have, you know, I have to clear it 2024 Benz what me order, you know. Me done pay half of it already, so me have to have the other half, so when it come off, me can clear it. Me can't have my Benz park up there long like say me because I'm scumming her. Me know say this you can't take the money what we have in a credit union.
So,
take it for take
hold on the Burger. You can live in a Benz? Eh? Benz a house, yes. Everybody need a drive. But one house more important right now to me and you and your brother.
Mommy.
Then you can't think about car. So for your car, for dearer than your house. Me not understand you. We want the cement them.
Mommy, stop making things look so now. We done already have two rooms where we are living already, and this are just deck if you deck off. So what you mean?
Look here.
Eh? No say money me done have a client pan a little hard already. Have a client pan a little hard.
Burger, me not think you work hard enough, you know. Me not think you work hard enough pan that the line there. Because you should have chopped that the line there already. Me a wait pan the money too long, how long you say the pan line, I know you can't clear it.
Mommy, stop making things look so. Just take the money what we have down a credit union. We hardly even use them money there. So just take the money what we have in a credit union and I'm just buy your type. Me never say if you take everything though, you know.
Nobody talk about that the money there. Remember say me and you don't talk about it, said that the money there for rainy day. And if you never know, although me never tell you, me fixed deposit it. Me can't get it until 1 year time. So what? That the Benz they can't stay. It could have turned.
So mommy, how much you want a Victoria Mutual? We could have used that the money there then, because watch man make me have to clear the Benz.
So you don't want to save nothing? You just want to put on one little money and go back for where you put in people in bank for. You better when keep your yard. You can't save.
Watch mommy. Just give me some time and you just figure it out. Yeah? Figure it out. And you have the money. Okay. Nobody worry yourself, man. Just do what you have to do. Take your money out of the one at the bank then, man. Watch mommy. You don't have too much stress for my mind. So nobody have to worry yourself about money, man. I mean, in Burger, you know, I think they call me Burger for. Eh?
Why?
What going on, my G? Yo, I'm an old lady that, you know.
What going on?
I'm an old lady that, man. Not sure she looks so young. I'm an old lady.
Eh?
65, I'm not going.
I never know. John won't start.
But
then you did something for forward to this, so come for put in the work, you know.
Yeah, man, I ain't, man. Right now, I'm going to rise up the leaves, but I show me there, so what I like vibes with mother, you see me? Right now, you know.
Ready, man.
I have 2024 Benz per walk, you know.
Charge your star.
They don't know, you have to.
Them something more like.
Well, you have to learn to creep before you walk, you know. You understand? You have to start off with a little yang or a little altis or one of them.
You are the leader in my G, just teach me for do man that I hit man.
For yourself, man. Alright,
man.
come, man. My name
So I'm gonna do some scamming. What? You have my youth there, mother man.
Which youth?
Burger man, you have burger mother man.
Yes.
Yeah man. Oh go on. No see a long time I don't see you still, you know. You good?
I am quite fine.
I can see that. I can see that man. So what you doing in this neck of the woods? Cause very rare I can come that side here and buck up anybody still.
If you notice, this is the post office, so I went
Yes.
to see if any letters are there for me.
Okay. I that man go check for too. See if nobody remember me. But yeah, you don't remember me any at all.
Him have no friend, you know, but me not remember you.
Me, man, I'm Miss Gigi nephew, man. You know, remember Miss Gigi from across the road, man. We live right next door, you. Yeah, man, it's our nephew, this man. We did come over the house one time, come link our brother, your son, man.
Okay.
I mean, see him on the, yes. I mean, see him on the see and the admire still, you see me?
Okay, nice meeting you again.
Yeah, man, it's really nice seeing you, man. So which side they headed now?
You know that I'm going all the way to Sav because I need to get something before the place close.
Oh my goodness, so you in a rush.
Yes.
Yeah. Channel Star, I really, but I'm not telling you still, I really like seeing you, you know, like you're one of the rare big ones I'm seeing at the place who really put themselves together, you know.
Where you come off? Come straight, let me get you understanding. You're talking to me about my son or you want to know about me? Which one?
No, man, your son good, man. Me and you have a conversation right now. I give you a compliment, you see me, sir? I tell you, say, you really look nice, you see me?
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, man. So, like, someone couldn't like...
Anyway, don't come too close.
So why you brush me off? Someone just a compliment you and make you know say you're a really nice lady, you know.
Yes, thanks.
So then you know want to get to know your son's friend. So your son's friend don't want to get to know you.
I just remember that I met you already. So you need me to know you more than how me know you.
But I mean, you know, can one
Like
know somebody, but not can talk.
Explain yourself because me need to get
Right,
what you said to me.
so you are a nice little lady. I'm
Thank you very
a young gentleman. So is me.
And he's an old woman for you.
Yeah, talk about.
Eh?
You know what I watch that man.
So where you come off at? As somebody you look? Are you looking someone?
I talk to him, friend. We just a talk to
It's
him.
not friend. You and Burger, my son, a friend. No me. Come, no go too. Don't go up there, so. Stay right down here, so. No go too
Yeah,
far.
beat me so hard.
I not beat you.
It's cool, man. You're wrestling.
Straight. Let me get you understand. You. Stop beat around the bush. Where you up to?
Alright, man, I tell you straight up, I'm a depend still. You see me? Cause I'm not too like the young girl thing. I'm like a big woman. I'm like how you bring yourself. I'm like how you're upstanding in the community. You see me? So I'm not gonna tell you no lie. I'm not love for me there still. Straight up, big man thing.
Me. Are you there?
Yeah.
You say name again?
Chaz.
Chaz. I'm not being disrespectful.
Yeah.
But you and my son look like you're in the same age group. And if you see you and my son are friends, then you can do.
So age is just a number anymore. Age not have nothing to do with maturity.
What
You
you say? What you just say?
Age is just a number. Age not have nothing to do with maturity.
I say look on age. Say age is just a number. Like,
Thing that, man.
don't follow people.
Cool, baby girl,
No,
man.
you could have been my son. You could have been my son.
But then, thank God I'm not your son.
Look how more me come there with you. You start this up my son where you say you're my friend.
Never do that. I treat him
And
like
he
a
say-
good stepson.
Stepson. So your friend. You want your
You're
friend.
not my stepson. No,
Oh, no.
do that.
No.
All son, all good.
You're gone too far. You see my son? Me respect my son. Here what?
Yeah.
You're a nice young man. Very nice. You dress nice, you look very nice. Me not tell no lie.
Thank you.
But you know look like it a go work between me and you. Anyway, the post office soon close. So go and go do what you have to do. Me have somewhere to go.
You know, I'm going to see you next time.
All right.
Hold on it. So I can't get the number.
Me not have my phone for me now, but maybe next time when me see you.
All right.
All
Keep
right.
that in mind.
Yeah, man.
Cool?
Yeah.
Hey boy, puppy dan. How kind of style that youth?
Yeah, do.
Brother, you mean if you tell me, say, me give a little one beat off of my client, brother, and you go behind and back, brother, and I change my client number, brother.
What you talk about, dog?
Brother, what you mean what me I talk about?
Yeah,
Are you alone have my client number, brother?
No, dog, I wouldn't betray like that, bro. Come on, dog. You know, say you if me get a food, me done get me. Me not go change the client number.
Brother, me not eat that, brother. Me have that, me don't have that client under control already, brother. And he tell me, say, you, Mr. Brown, I change your number, brother. But I think say me a joke scammer, brother.
Yeah, what you mean, son, dog? You can't do me the things, so, dog. If me get a food, me would have give a thing and make me a braff, dog.
Brother,
Come
stop
on,
going like you want to go around me, brother.
I feel a way now, dog. Nah, go style. You know I'm a general, dog. Oh, yeah, bro.
Brother, stop going like you want to come go around man thing, brother.
Dog, me not go around your father.
Brother, me no want to hear nothing what you want to say, brother. But me hear me I say. You see me gun them, you see me buy. After moments like these, you hear me I tell you? Cause you see I come go around me, brother, and you looking at my face and I come tell me say you not beat my client, brother.
But you know, bro.
Hear me I say.
Bro.
Me no mix, me done did say, listen to me, brother. Hear me I say, man. Me done did seminar in no business with no man, brother. And hear what? Call back my client again and see what go on. Here. Call back my client.
You know, so if my bingo, me da make you get a food, dog. What kind of style that, bro?
Don't chat here, no youth.
Yes. This is Mr. John Snyder from the publishers Clearing Valve. I'm just called to just tell you that you are a lucky big sweetie.
Hello? Hello? This is Bob. Yes? You send the money? Yes, send the money, please. $10,000. Please, send the money.
Hold on, let me.
Let me hear me say. This is Bob.
No, don't say that. Say it properly. This is Bob from the Publishers Clearance House. And we're calling in regards about the prize that you have won. Yes, Mary here.
Hello, sorry about that. So this is Bob, and I'm calling from the Publishers House, and you have just won the grand prize of $1 million.
Hello, this is Bob. I'm calling from Supreme Venture. You have just won yourself a nice, cute $1 million. You have just won the jackpot. All you need to do to claim your prize is send me $35,000 and you are home free being a millionaire. How does that sound?
No. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go down to the nearest Western Union or the Walgreens or any CVS pharmacy, and then you're gonna fill out a receipt of $45,000. No. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put the Publishers Clearance House and Bob Snyder on it. Bob Snyder. No, sir. Bob Snyder. Oh. Yes, he's the one dealing with your delivery. So he's gonna tell you the name is which you're gonna make payment to. Bob, it's big rapper, like Bob. I should send money for a rapper. Bob. No, sir. You listen. You getting this wrong, sir. You're getting this wrong. That's it. Come again? They said no, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna plan this up.
My run, man. What am I not in a damn things? The thing. Hey.
Remember me that tell you say, you go creep before you walk.
Yeah.
You know.
because of the on treatment. So this you know, said a brand new 2025 Mercedes on the line, you know. So I don't know if or yourself, man. Just try if we can hold another giant. You see me? You can book another one. It's like you want if you want the same one. Good man. You see me? Or yourself, man. Money you make, you know. So not even watch a little while you get to here. Watch out for me. I can go up here. I can go up here. So here. Just hide the people them. Them back with them in there. See? Or yourself, man. Money I go make, man. Money definitely make, man. Or yourself.
After all of the extra thing that is alone me get.
Mommy. Yeah, man. Mommy, go put on the money for me, mommy. For me. Just take a little thing out there, but put on this.
How much is?
Just check it, man.
Me check you in.
What you can do is just get some food for your house and get Javi on $5,000. Yeah?
Alright.
I go up on the road.
Mm-hmm.
See me? Take care of yourself, now.
So,
I'm a mother, mommy. So buy a brand new Benz, now. Or yourself, now.
hold on. A bank me fi bank this alright money fi buy the black them.
Man, bank that man, you can buy black them out type, man. Enough money that at 3,000 US. Yeah.
Pauline. Pauline. Wagwan.
That's that thing. Right now, I'm stressed out.
Yeah, I never know you come them places, yeah, man.
You just come in them place if you can chill out and take a vibes, you know?
That's cool, man. And that my day after to, man. Yeah, man, I like that, man. See, it's we're not too bad because we have something in common. We both come to the beach and chill.
A river me come. I don't know where you come in, but a river me
Oh,
come.
yeah, make it thing look so difficult, man. I same thing we are talking about, man.
Right. So
Like the look of flow in the water, get the head relaxing.
what a
you
go
see
on?
me? But they have a drink, and I'm like, no, no.
From the last time I see you, and I don't know how come I don't see you back again. I will kind of breeze blow you around and say, you have a woman around here, sir?
I don't have no woman, Pauline, man. Just cool, man. I one person, you know what? May I be honest with you? I one person I have eyes on.
I know.
It's cool, man. You don't know who me have eyes
Tell me, I
on.
don't know.
You, Pauline, from I see you the first time, run at your son place, yeah. Because me I tell you, say, I just try to hold it, because I say, oh, John was star. And then when I see you at the post office, I ask you for your number. And I said the next time I see you, so I must get through you now.
Look like you like what you see.
I mean, if I like what I see, Pauline, I want what I see too.
Anyway, may I give me number? Where your phone? So you can call me anytime.
Yeah, man. Anytime until I say that we fair deal with, just drop it in now.
So phone you said so. Alright.
Yeah, man.
And you can save it as Pauline here?
For sure.
Yeah, Pauline my name.
Pauline, my baby. That man go put.
Man, you make a woman come kill me off, you know.
Woman, which woman, Pauline? I don't tell you, say one person.
No, but you go put my name in your phone. You will just say, you go put Pauline, my baby.
But on my phone, nobody now come on my phone.
Oh. Okay.
You're no more alone, I'm going into this, man.
Say no, my woman.
Let me tell you, say, from a day I saw you alone, me I pray, my baby. You alone, me have eyes for. Yeah.
Sit here, my friend.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome. Long time I don't want to get a calming position with this winner, man. Yeah, man. You can sit in a well of reason, you see it?
I realize that.
Yeah.
My sister you like me, you want in things with me. But I one thing me I tell you. Please, may I beg you, don't make my son know say me and you talk. It's a problem.
Baby.
I don't want the problem between me and him.
Like Nova Scotia, you're safe with us. I'm not talking, not even my auntie me I make nothing about what go on. This is between me and you.
Alright?
Nobody don't know.
But me not tell no lie, you know. Day when you asked me for my number,
Yeah.
I really did want to give it to you, but you see, true, you and my son are friend.
I know.
I don't want the argument between you and my son or me and my son. Me never know if we just go ahead and give it to you like that.
Everything, Chris, man.
I
Follow Burger,
I
man.
like you. I like you, God know.
Yeah, man.
I like you, man.
Yo, from say the first time I tell him, man, I want you, you see it.
Yeah, so.
Like I warm up to the settings, you know.
What kind of work you do?
Well, I hear son really I show more I go on for a local program still, you know. So I really that but I take on to right now and me I catch a one big fish from the other day. And I think turn up, you see me? But it not really manifest the right way yet, because I don't grasp the whole concept yet, but me I work on it.
Okay. So you don't know other kind of work?
Man.
So where do you have your own house to pay rent or what? Because me can pay rent for you, you know. I'm really like you.
Child, I'm something. You know, some auntie tell me say, I only have 2 weeks there. And I'm not gonna lie to you, you know. I feel I look so much still because I don't know anything possible because I don't want her to go get fed up on me, you see me? man, I'm good.
You don't look like you're good to me. Any little problem you have, you know you can talk to me, don't?
No, because I just have a whole lot of things on my mind, isn't it?
Like what? Explain yourself so I can understand. I can't read your mind.
I don't know, auntie now for a minute and nothing really know to go on, and he's a person who want to contribute towards the bills, man. You don't know food, me I eat her food, me under shelter, me not get her no money, so kind of feel a way about that. Plus the youth were there back home, isn't me? Mother asked me for some money and I never able to foot the bill, so things kind of press me right now. I'm not get no turnover yet, isn't it?
So that you worry about?
Yeah, well, I have to worry about that, you know, because I'm not sure where it come from just yet.
You don't have to worry about that. I tell you, say anything you want, you can ask me for it, me will give it to you. But me not tell no lie, me end up falling in love with you.
Like you like that still, okay, not too far.
Anything you want, just ask me for it and stop stress out before you sit down by yourself. Don't worry about life.
No, but mama say that's a whole meeting point, so I'm not too want to load up the thing, isn't it? But
It no matter. All if 1 minute ago we meet, or last year I did had a year, it no matter. You see, from me rate you anything at all you want. Me can give it to you. How much should the rent?
well, probably about one. I think it level to be 45. She did tell me the last time still, isn't it?
So your auntie really charge you so much money for rent?
Yeah, but you don't know that kind of include the food and every little thing.
Oh, so the rent is not for exactly 45,000. You want food and stuff.
Right, so because you don't want to contribute to the groceries them and things, isn't it?
God, so you don't eat from morning. You look hungry though.
You coming on and bother nobody, isn't it? I'm
We
just feel like that.
Just, you know.
Hey, babes, just you don't know, man. Nobody ever see and can talk to you, isn't it? Because you seem like that type of person.
But he carry money for me if you go do something, but me can't give.
Yeah.
Just sort out your problem.
You that?
Yeah.
Yes,
Where you take me for idiot? Look here.
It's you.
From me say me love you. See that? Look funny, you know what this?
Stay up all the news about them.
2,000, I see that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36,000. So,
Yeah,
I know it's 45, I did say. No, we carry the rest for you, so you can pay one little rent out of this, and the rest, take you buy a little bit of food and make carry the rest.
So this good no.
If you know, say I like you, bad. I like you plus tax, that mean you know, say I love you. So, don't worry yourself. Anything you want, just don't afraid to ask me for nothing. I say I love you already, I'm a bununu nose. All right, guess what? No. You don't see my son for a morning.
No, I'm gonna see him now. I'm gonna see him, but probably gonna see him later.
Next time I come right there up on the front because he can visit past them little kind of area, you know, you have a whole heap of bridge around here. So guess what, I have to go move now.
Alright, then, okay.
Here, take care. And don't make me see you look so sad again. If I feel down, just call me. See you? All right.
Later.
All right.
Love you, man.
Love you too, honey.
Alright. Oh, I'm gonna get a big money in my life, channel. Yeah, I'm gonna get a piece of food, you know, I can go link Samantha. Yeah. Get her a thing, though. Yeah, man. At the right move that, you know. Want to link her right now. Samantha, baby. I watch my baby, man. Sure. Can't operate your gate from man, you know.
Which part you there from, man?
Which family they don't know me on the hustle, man. Don't look a thing, man.
So you're not going to give me a hug?
Channel star. Your gate, you sit down a little bit with this, you know. I got my baby, man. Yeah? No way they link me on the thing, you know. I that my car actually careful come give you still. Cause they tell me say, oh, you want to sort out the rent and just get a piece of food, is me?
Yeah, because you
So,
know, when you rent business,
so may I give you a thing? 2, 6, 8, 10. So this supposed to cover the rent. No, and you don't know a little thing in it for my baby.
14, 15, 18, 20. Oh, so 15 of your rent and
Next 5 a year one. Yeah, you don't know the thing. Look, I have to take care of my girl and say good. What you do for the day?
I just go on freestyle, watch some TV.
No. I'll come link you later on, so that good?
Make sure, you know.
I'll come link you, man. Not for worry, man. Alright, baby.
Alright.
Cool?
Yeah, later.
Make sure say you cook, you know. 'Cause I'm hungry, I want to lay some food later on. Man, forward, man.
Yo, JJ. How are you never there?
Oh, you call Richie. You pass the place.
Watch on man, JJ, me too much in chatting to you know. Cause watch on man.
Look here, you're enough for me yard there, no. And my yard there, no. You're there in my yard. Hold on there. You hold on there. Stop right there, so. Stop right there. Looking at this. Just looking at this. Why are you looking at this?
Watch on man,
Just looking at this, boy. Looking at this.
Yeah, me I say, me not depend on the excitement.
Look at this. Are you can create excitement? I mean,
Yeah, me I say, man, I your nephew. I your nephew.
What nationality you seeing at this?
Kingston.
Kingston, Jamaica. Listen to me, I'm Jamaican. You think say I come from nowhere, come here. You think say me come on here, I born here. Me not come on here, boy. So no come style me about no Gigi. Like I feel like me your size. You just look a pissing tail boy when born and growing on my hand. You can't style me as Gigi. Me your size.
Yeah, me I say, no man. Me never hear you come for disrespect yourself, no,
But
Gigi.
you can't, no, and you still a call me Gigi. Come out of me here.
Miss Gigi, hear me I say, me never come for disrespect you, you know. But you see your nephew.
What you never have? You can't talk out if you see me
The
never.
boy thief me money, Gigi. Come like say a problem, me boy want me. They come like a murder, boy want me murder him, you know, Gigi. And you never, you know.
Murder who?
Gigi,
Look here.
Gigi, you know, say I cool me, I cool out, you know,
no
Gigi.
thief. My sister no born no thief and no grow no thief. Me I never no thief. So fix up your argument. Put on close for your statement. Your argument naked.
Gigi, hear me I say. I done a road me there, you know. I know say I valid this, you know. Everybody know everything, you know. I done a road me there. And somebody I tell me say, your nephew I go out with my mother and they a party and in there a flash. And I him thief for money.
You see him? You take your 2 years them and see him.
Gigi, come.
You see him?
Gigi, no matter disrespect.
You
Gigi.
see him? You see money? Take your money. You see him? Did you see him?
Gigi, I done a road bottom me there, you know. I know say I valid this, nobody no keep nothing around it. You see me? And somebody tell me say, they see your nephew upper road there, so with my mother a par, a flash. I know see I find money in team. You see me? Cause from me down here, you know, you never see me I do my business with nobody else, you know. Cause me not do business, you know. You see me? And he tell me say, yo, are you auntie? So as so comes me have him on my foot and we say, yo, we are going. You see me? And the boy come around and come.
You think so my nephew go come down here and you feel like say you can ruin my nephew reputation by hearsay. Eh? Hearsay can go la. You say me never thief your money, me ask you one question. Did you see him?
Me never see him, you know. But
So why can I
hear me say no. If me can't get it from him, you know, me I want it from you, you know. And me done talk, you know. Gigi, you know me standing in Gigi.
Me not afraid of you. Me not afraid of you. And anything where you claim to say you can't get from him, you can't get it from me.
Big up yourself.
Go on by your business, yeah. You're out and bright, you're fierce to know.
Gigi, big
But
up.
if you can't get it from him, you go get it from me. Boy, you hear some love young boy. Go on where you go, your mother careless about him a flash with me nephew. She careless.
Yo, I'm telling this to you. Yo, I'm telling this. I go on. You see me? These are dangerous, man. Here.
Where you talk about?
I'm gonna run joke, brother. I'm gonna run put my food in the youth. Where my money there?
Where you talk?
What you mean, no me
What you talk about my boss? No, man, what you talk about my G? I must something I say I talk about. What you talk about? I don't know what you talk about my G.
Brother, the money where you take from my mother, want to back.
Me take money from your mother? What you... Wait. What you really I say?
Yo,
Your mother tell you say me take money from my G?
You see the 250,000 where you take from my mother? Brother, after you come in this, brother, I'm tell you say, yo, man, I do this.
No, man, you have it all wrong, man. Watch out now. I give your mother give me the money in my G. That's a matter of fact, I'm level with it. You see that money the way I talk about, I give your mother give me that money there. You see me? And I can tell you straight up. Me and your mother there. You see it? Call right now, if you call my stepfather. I decide there.
So I disrespect you, I try disrespect.
Disrespect my G.
Disrespect you, I try disrespect.
No, nothing for do with no disrespect. Your mother just like me, I'm like your mother, my youth, so just work with that, no man. The school, man, and just work with it, no man. I don't know farmer style in my G. When you can go easy, man. The school.
Yo, I'm telling you this. Me know I feel like say me don't understand how play a pen, you know. You hear me I tell you?
Brother, up to now, I'm not push no farmer badness. I'm gonna tell you this, my G. You say I'm humble and easy. A town I come from, a matches lane I come from, G. A bad people place, you know.
Brother, me no business where you want to come from. Just make sure say you get
my son, man. Yeah, my son, just leg off of my shirt. Leg off of my shirt.
Remember, so I know where you live, you know. And I know boy where you come from, you know.
Hide my youth.
Just make sure so I get back my money.
Get which money, my youth?
Alright, you take countryman for food.
That's cool, man.
Who let take countryman?
Yo,
alright,
cool.
say a word. No say a word. No say a word. I value you there, you know.
The man I know say I'm a stepson. Yo. Tell them something, you can't do them something. Auntie, what go on?
Come here, man. Come here.
Auntie, how trouble you now, auntie?
You trouble me.
Yeah.
You trouble me. Look how I want you and talk to you when you come down here and tell us, don't go over the yard. Don't go over the yard.
Yeah.
How we are the one burger have?
Burger no have nothing, auntie. How him city? How him city?
Burger, come over here and disrespect me. I take off all the title off of my name and call me Gigi like me and my size. I can't tell me say you're thieving money.
Me?
And you have to go pay him back.
Auntie, you know I'm gonna do them something, you know, auntie. Yo, I'm gonna like people call me thief, you know, I'm gonna grow them with it, you know, yo, my mother, yo, John O Star. I like them accusation, you know, auntie, I'm gonna level with you, you know. I bet. Alright, watch this. I'm gonna tell you what I want. Listen, I can reason with you. I'm gonna be honest with you. Auntie, I want to tell you, say, yo, pinch me, tell you, say, yo.
Pinch make me feel it. Cause me I wonder if we are going as a real. Pinch make me feel it.
Me, man.
What? Pinch me. Come on, if I dream, I dream. Me and you are. Where's you and him?
No, auntie, can I style that, auntie, man? I don't
What's that you say? Mother.
Yeah, man. School, man.
Mother-in-law, which one is it?
Mother, man. Me and the mother are deal, man. And you know, auntie, she like me off and she love all the flavor. I tell her I still is it. And she just love all the young youth and she just give me the money and I work with it, auntie. I not thief nobody money, auntie. She give me the money and you don't know where I par and she like the flavor, auntie, and I just so just a par and I work with it, you see me? I do them things there. But yo, people just talk and I just tell lie and in my flip and I try vex, you don't know.
Me vex too.
Yeah, vex, auntie.
What do you mean? You vex too. Me vex too. Because my mother, which is your grandmother, would have said, if you not got 4 rules, 4 can't shit on you. But you're gone. You're not even gone in the 4 rules, you're gone in the 4 kubu.
Okay. I think good, man.
You hear me say a while ago? Or you not hear me say? Mama, you have to listen to me. Look at me. Look at my face. Me see your grandma used to say, if you not got 4 rules, 4 can't shit on you. Here we go on. Do you remember when you just come here and they tell us, you only can spend 2 weeks and everything come with an expiration date. So look here, 2 weeks expired.
Auntie, where you really are though?
What,
You really have put me out, auntie.
what am I doing? Am I
Go.
putting you out?
Where me I go?
Me now put you out, me I dash you out then. If I say be the case, if I say you want to put
Auntie, where me I
no, man,
go?
remember me tell you say 2 weeks. The 2 weeks expired, man.
Auntie, so where me I go? Where me I go?
Here what happened?
Where me I go do?
You see money where Burger Mother give you?
Yes.
Me say, you see the money where you get from Burger Mother? Take care of my rent one house. I only way I can. You see, boy, come here, I passing close with me. Eh? And I can't tell me, say, me fi pay for women on yam.
Alright, auntie.
Me must pay for women not eat, you know.
I gotta respect you. I gotta respect your wishes.
Yes, man.
I gotta respect your
You
wishes.
look the money where you get.
Thank you for the fact that you tolerate me for the 2 weeks and beyond. Thank you for that, man. I'm gonna lie to you. I really do appreciate it. But I gotta do what you say me for do. I gotta find somewhere.
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
I
Yeah,
gotta
man.
find some.
Stand up on your 2 feet.
Alright, auntie.
Stand up on your 2 what?
No food not there in there. Cause I'm still
No, man. Yes.
can't get some of the food. Auntie.
Listen to me, man. Listen.
Gone yet. You're not gone on yet, auntie.
So how you walk off from me? Your sister, you're straight. You come here, you're really straight. You first time when me I talk to you, you don't stand up and listen to me and I could finish the conversation. You're straight. No go and never touch my pot, you know. Not touch my pot, because you taste somebody else's food. Stay there, son. Look here. Go and get where you forget and go on here, cause and look here, look here. Look here. If father not well in a dirty vessel, see you go along where you go. You here, take up your bungle and go along. Me not care. Me not business.
Burger. How are you? Burger.
Inspector Bob, me no give you a piece of food already, man. I want, man.
Stand up, let me talk to you, man. Stand up.
Inspector Bob, me no done give you a piece of money already, man.
Yo, and the money me I come to you about in the bridging. But here what happen? You see this called client thing I go on, war out for broken up, big things out for go on. Bridging, have respect. Police attack to you, come smoke in front, man. Out that.
Sorry, my boss, sorry.
You hear me say, man? A big war out for broke ya. Client man want take man client. This a fimi turf. And any little foolishness go on out there, we go up on. And me run yes up. Me run yes up. And the war in faction I go on and me hear information me I come to you about Bridging. You see me? You know Puppy Dan?
Yeah, I don't really know nobody still no
What
inspector.
do you mean you know nobody?
Yeah,
But I tell you, say, Puppy Dan, and you are gonna like you don't know what Puppy Dan me I talk about. Puppy Dan come take your client and you are take fiend client. A peer foolishness are going around the place. And as me tell you before, say, my turf, this. A problem are going around the area, you know. And people are talk.
Inspector Bob, I'm tell you this. First thing first. And me buy my leads them here. And me spend my money and link Rick Panas and buy my leads them. So no boy now can't come tell me about say my teeth and client when I my money buy my leads them. Eh? And me take him man out of his slum, brother, and bust him for like one client what I did have already. And give him a beat out of it and him come see a film client.
That is your business and information. But me I tell you what go on, yes sir. And people in the area talk, you know what gonna happen? A bigger heads are gonna come from upstairs now. You know what go on, my youth? A bigger heads are gonna come down here, sir. And a peer problem that.
Yeah, man.
Problem panel, me, you understand?
Yeah, man. So
And me have to run here and keep it clean, youth. And I ask me come ask your virgin. I tell me I come tell you, say, if you break it up.
But you know, man, nothing going on if nothing break up, man. I just say people in a place, I call people and I tell them that. They just sketch them coward, brother. Because what you know, man, I just... Me and Puppy Dan go to school, you know. Together, you know. You see me?
Yo, in a lecture thing we are talking about. Me I tell you, and when me left here, so, Zane, I eat that and me no want to come back here, because if me come back here, it's not pretty. You understand me, boss? You have to break it up. I tell you what I go on. Zane.
All right, Inspector.
But on a serious note, anyway, you don't know anything go still, you know. I mean, I left here, so nothing I go on. You must can left for drinks money or something. You see me? You understand?
But
just between me and you still, you know, but you know what things say.
Watch on Inspector Bob. You not to have no money for me, you know. But I have to call my mother.
Call your mother?
Yeah.
A real mama's boy, you know.
No, man, I just show me one girl, but he ain't not so righted, but me have to make my mother just one.
So, yes, you know, you can do yourself. You can do.
China man, I just want a little lousy 1,000 me have.
What you say?
A lousy 1,000.
You really look for a man who nowadays I get police this virgin.
Watch out, man. See
Ah,
there,
big-
see there, see there. Me
This
not
is what you want to say. Oh, yo, a prop. All the time go boy, your face. What? Yo, it might cost you. You hear me? It cost you.
watch out, man. This I can buy you one
No,
lot of
no, you're
ticket.
nothing for you.
This can buy you one lot of ticket.
You disrespect police, boy.
Yeah, alright, yeah, dirty thief.
Why, Pauline? Channel Star. Really appreciate what you do for me, babes.
You're welcome anytime.
Yeah, man. All of this you've been doing, man. You really, this is all possible because of you. You know?
Mm-hmm.
The situation was so last minute. We're in, you know, but I end up have to leave my auntie house. And if I never for you right now, would be there, so. And so I'm very grateful for you, babe. Really,
No
really
problem.
appreciate
Anytime.
it.
Anytime you need help, I'm right here.
Yeah,
So
man.
don't worry about it.
I love how you talk to me. I love how you deal with me, isn't me? You make me feel real special. And I appreciate that.
It's a woman for treat man, a man for treat woman good too. When you find the love of your life, that's how you treat them.
Channel Star.
Yes.
You see, man, the love of your life.
Yes. Why not?
Channel Star.
Sure that you have enough funds to make this call.
Mommy, a joke thing in the pan, mommy. Look for when man at me I try call the phone, man, and not answer, man. I show your mother make me not this to you know. Cause man want all the money to you know, man. No man there all want all the top up on me now no money, you know, and you gone all along with me all my card, them and everything. Yo, I should even know you know, man.
Why the room all feel nice, yo, I just feel comfortable, feel right at home. You know why you get so? So,
You deserve it.
wait time.
Not even know, you deserve it.
Someone forgot up on the road. For wash her for them.
See you not tired?
Yeah, but I have to do this. I forgot to make the link, yeah.
Like you can manage still, you know? Yeah, so you can do the work proper.
Channel Star. So the young boy, man.
So you're dapper already, you know. You're a real dapper, you're not no buckle stopper.
Yeah,
So
baby.
anytime I want to start out, you know, say,
Channel Star.
yeah.
You know if I ask that, baby.
So what you got to know? You got to go and go out on the street?
Yeah, man, all over shop.
All right. Yeah, man. We go on some more of that thing they know you give me last night. Not tell a lie. But well relaxed
Yeah?
right now. God
It's cool,
knows.
man.
I know but I lick it off. Make it stay upon it.
It's cool, man.
Make it stay upon it. Come on, you have to deal with it for me a little more. All right. Go and go have your shower. You know, say me go there, so go do something. You never want nothing to eat? Before
No,
you...
baby, man. All right, man.
All right. Okay, let's keep at them clean it up.
Mommy, away there, man. I 3 days now, me look for you and can't find any, man. Oh, you forgot, and I deal with everything. And you have my bank card and everything. Oh, you forgot, and not to make me know see you gone. And not to make Javi know see you gone. I 3 days now, you know, man. What if you do? Put up, say you miss or something? Mommy, me have something important I want to talk to you, man. So when you get that voice note, yeah, just call me or just come home or up, man. Because I 3 days now, man. Sure. A man want the money, you know, man.
Come like for me people they don't know say me a big woman. I want time for myself. What kind of voice know this? Awesome. I don't understand why I'm... You feel some your size? Mister, if you feel some your size, me ain't a size. Me get all your voice note them. Me listen them. And I rank with
Right now, still me not tell you, know. I don't really drink another beer right now, you know. You see me? I don't really drink another beer. Because that one taste too bad still. One more drink. Alright. That's right, Bakush. That's right. Alright, look at.
Money. So you have no respect for adults again. And you forgot to me your mother. Boy, me your mama. Don't play with me. And to me I keep your little money them where you make. Where you say you chop off a line and me they keep it for you. Eh? You want to come style me. And what you feel like? No, what you feel like? Tell me now, what you feel like?
You should ashamed of yourself. Imagine. If me did say like enough little youth, we don't say some bombs cut from your say, you know, and go and do my thing at other else place, you know. But me make sure so me take you out of board house and I build up boy house, mommy. And you gotta take my money and mine boy, mommy. Eh? You make your boy feel like some man in my size, mommy. Mommy, you're a big woman, you know, mommy.
Me a big woman, me understand. And me no shame of myself. Me no shame of myself. Me no know where you want me to do. Ball?
Mommy.
I try to insult me.
Mommy, this...
Your father needed to do work, so me get somebody younger.
And that son good come from here.
No.
Here all your son, as a big woman. Here all your son. You're there road with young boy. I drink and I go on like say you're young. Oma, mommy, you're a big woman. Me tell you to take up one big man and David and know say, all right, that's something good. But you take up one young boy, which part in there now? Mommy, you're a big woman.
Why me can't talk so loud? You can't take time.
Mommy, what you mean? What me talk so loud? You take my money. You done out all of my money out of my account, mommy, and done for boy, mommy. Eh? Gigi nephew. Oh, you expect me to feel, mommy? Look how much things, mommy. I can't believe you that you take my money and do, man. Yo, you say, man, mother, mommy, this say no, man. You take all of my money now. No, me have a care. Wait. Yo, mommy, me I tell you, say, oh, God, no, man, me I tell you, no, man. You see, man, they want to man, yo, me don't know what kind of sickness I take up for myself, you know. Eh? Because me listen and listen to the money I do, mommy. Yo, how much time, man, I dial and clients all diss me. And me have to tell them about all their mother. Eh? And you take my money and my young boy, mommy. Yo, I can't believe. Come like say, me I try to help you out there. Come like and help dog myself. How much time man have to write up all client pants paper and write up all candle. Eh? I can't believe it, man. Yo, you know, I can't go here, man, because, yo, God no.
Junior, may I talk to you? Junior, listen to me. No, you talk like that. Me feel away, me feel really bad. I'm sorry. Me sorry about everything. Sorry. Me sorry about Me ask if I can not bother talking in front of Javi because saying we feel bad just like me go on. The two of we have to feel bad, everybody feel bad. Me sorry about everything, me feel shame. But just when they go on like me not shame but me shame about it. But the way when they go on, when me just come to you, me have to act like me not shame but me shame, me sorry. Me sorry, no bother about me sorry. Junior, me sorry.
Me a big man, if you do them things, if you know wrong from right, but me I tell myself me not to do it.
Junior, me sorry, Junior. Chaz.
Yes, baby.
Me sorry for everything what me have to go say to you right now. But me not tell no lie, me really enjoy the time what me spend with you. Because you make me feel younger than how me did feel. Me not tell no lie. At the first time in my life me ever feel so good, but me sorry. Me can't continue with this relationship no more because my son find out.
Jesus
Me no know
Christ.
who inform upon me or you, or they watch me and they tell him things, but me not tell no lie. Me have a conversation with him, Jesus. And me no like how he sound. I me no like how he look. Me not tell no lie. He find out and me have to go stop at 2 minutes talk and no lie me I tell Chaz. Me sorry, but we have to go break off. Me can't continue with the relationship no more. I'm so sorry. Jesus Christ. Me sorry, just forget about everything. I know you enjoy your time with me. I know you're going to miss it and you're going to sorry, but please, me, I beg you, forgive me. And the money what me spend on you, all of the money the way you say me did I spend on you, it wasn't my money. But because I fall in love with you, as me see you, me just spend money. So me just have spend money, but I never for me. I for my son and he find out. I don't know when I go find him back forgive me now. I don't know who am I go forgive me, but me have to go end the relationship. I'm so sorry.
What is... No, Pauline, no. No, baby. What you mean? You mean you have to end this? No, Pauline. No, you can't do me this, baby. You can't do me this. No, baby girl. No, man. Babes. Jesus Christ. Oh, chat, I will go do this. Oh, God, Pauline. Pauline, no, the rental due, Pauline. I mean, I don't want to come out. Jesus Christ. My God, no, shit. Shit. I don't know, should I pick up with my car? Shit, she no answer. Oh! This man. Jesus Christ, baby, you can't do that. No, this is perfect. Oh, there's something perfect I can do. No. Pauline. Oh God, Pauline. Pauline, love you. Pauline, no.
Publishers clearing house, ready now?
already a couple times, America.
He lock you up or what?
America,
Yeah, say. Say where I shot already.
Alright, so how we can get involved?
Very good. That'll be purpose. Auntie. How much trouble you know? Auntie. Ready, action.
Just be sure to have